Hey guys, guess what? We've made it. It's officially spring. Anyone else as excited as I am? But I asked you guys in a poll what you'd like to see next, and easy spring hairstyles won by a landslide. So these hairstyles are quick, they're easy, and right on trend for spring. So let's go ahead and get started. So I prepped my hair, curling it around a 1 1/4 inch barrel, and then I added some of Big Sexy Hair's Powder Play. This product's amazing at separating the curls and creates that awesome texture. So first up is a twisted half-up hairstyle, and you just want to begin by grabbing all of the hair at the crown of your head, so the hair that's in the middle, and then divide this into 3 equal pieces. Then drop that middle piece so you're left with only the outside pieces. And then join them together with a small hair elastic and create a topsy tail by flipping the ponytail up and through between those 2 sections. Tighten it up and just begin pulling on small pieces of hair on the twists. This will help add detail and dimension. Okay, I really like to pull on mine. I just love that textured, beachy appearance that it gives, especially for the warmer weather. All right, so once you're happy with the look of your twists, you just want to grab all of the hair on the right side of your head, just above your temples, and section it off. Then bring that section up and pull it behind the topsy tail from earlier. And then fan it out so it creates more of a swoop. And then you just want to repeat it on the left side. And feel free to bobby pin these sections into place if your hair is shorter. To finish it off, just wrap a small piece of hair around your hair elastic and bobby pin it to the underside of the elastic. And you could also use a scrunchie or a scarf to finish it off. That'd look really cute. So this hairstyle is very easy yet beautiful, and I love that you could dress it up or down, making it appropriate for almost any event. All right, this next hairstyle is an easy way to dress up a simple bun. Begin by grabbing all of the hair on the left side of your head and on the right side. Once sectioned off, loosely twist these sections away from your face about 2 times. Then hold them together at the back of your head where you want your bun to sit, and just gently pull on the sides to create a soft swoop. Then bobby pin these twists where you want your bun to sit, and I picked just off to the right side. And then secure all of your hair into a ponytail where you'd like your bun to sit. And then go ahead and pinch and pull on small pieces of hair around your crown to help add some more detail and volume. Next, loosely twist your ponytail away from your face and begin gently wrapping it counterclockwise around your hair elastic. Now, as you wrap, you can gently fan out the twist, and this will create a super soft donut bun, which looks a little more casual. And then just continue wrapping your ends around your hair elastic so that they lay underneath your bun. Once you're happy with it, hold your bun against your head and begin pinning the outside of it to your head by pushing the pins towards the center. Okay, how perfect is this updo for spring? It's so easy, and I think it'd be great for any outdoor events. Next up is a textured ponytail. This is a must-know-how for spring. First, you'll need a scarf. Guys, if you haven't picked up a scarf already, it's a must. They are so versatile and beautiful for spring, and you can even thrift them for less. Anyways, pull one corner of your scarf underneath all of your hair behind your neck, and then once it's evenly pulled through, just bring the corners of the scarf up and tie them into a super tight, simple knot. Then pull out small sections of hair to frame your face and pinch and pull on the hair around your crown and the sides of your head to create more volume. And this also gives this hairstyle a more effortless, lived-in appearance. And then for extra volume, take a small claw clip and insert it into the center of your ponytail to help add some more lift. I love this hairstyle. It's so simple and so cute, and it's perfect for when you're enjoying a warm day and just want to toss your hair up. So there we have it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to let me know which hairstyle was your favorite. I think for me, it's a tie between the low side bun and then this one, of course. I love scarf hairstyles. But don't forget to check out my Instagram to see pictures of the final looks. I've really been loving interacting with you guys over there. It's been a lot of fun. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.